Bro, why is there another one? Are you serious right now?
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special...
You gotta be kidding me.
Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island let New York out 20 nautical miles.
It's for New York Harbor. Oh my gosh.
20 nautical miles. New York Harbor. Long
It's for New York Harbor.
Until 9 p.m.
Oh my gosh.
At 17 p.m. A line of showers producing gusty winds
Oh
was
shoot.
located along
It's
the line
literally for New York Harbor.
Old Spring Harbor to near Rockaway Inlet to the Kingsburg, moving east at 40 knots.
What the heck?
Hazard. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
How many is there?
Radar indicated. Impact. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds in southern
Dude,
Iowa.
you gotta be at least kidding me right now.
The threat will be near Barnum Island, Sandy Hook Bay, East Bay, Island Park.
Bro, are you serious right now?
Middle Bay and South Oyster Bay around 8:20 p.m.
You gotta be at least serious right now.
Around 8:25 p.m.
Come on.
Entrance to New York Harbor and Fire Island Inlet around 8:35 p.m.
8:35.
Great South Bay around 8:45 p.m.
Oh my gosh. How many is there?
Until these storms pass.
This is going crazy.
Strong winds and high waves are expected. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible.
Oh my gosh. I was gonna upload that video I did and they just wanted to join in.
The National Weather Service.
Like seriously, what is happening?